In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up a proxy in the SwitchyOmega extension for Google Chrome, step by step, so you can get it working quickly and correctly. If you use Chrome for browsing, managing multiple accounts, or keeping your connection organized, this is a really useful setup to know. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Chrome on your computer and make sure you're connected to the internet. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner and click the three dots menu. This is Chrome's main menu, and it gives you access to all the browser settings and tools you need. From there, move your mouse over extensions. A side menu will appear showing the extensions installed in Chrome. Now, to get SwitchyOmega, click Visit Chrome Web Store. In the search bar, type SwitchyOmega. You'll want to look for Proxy SwitchyOmega 3, since that's the extension you need for this setup. When you find it, click Add to Chrome, then click Add Extension to confirm the installation. Chrome will automatically install the extension for you, and after that, it may open the SwitchyOmega website. Once that happens, you're in the right place to continue the setup. On the website, click on the proxy option so you can start configuring your proxy profile. This is the part where you set your proxy details based on the connection you want to use. Take your time here and enter the information carefully because the proxy settings need to be correct for everything to work properly. After you've configured the proxy on the website, go back to Chrome and look at the top right corner again. Click the puzzle piece icon, which opens the extensions panel. This is where all of your installed extensions are listed in one place. Find SwitchyOmega in the list and click it. The SwitchyOmega control panel will open, and from here, you can manage your proxy profiles. Now click Proxy, and that's it. Your proxy setup in SwitchyOmega should now be ready to use. If you followed along, you should be able to switch your Chrome browsing through the proxy configuration you set up. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.